Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. In this video we are going to learn about how to repeat the row and column in each page of your printing document. It is very useful while preparing reports where you want the headings to be printed and appear in the top of the pages. So in this document I have some multiple pages. So in this document I need to be print. So I'm clicking on Control P. So here is the print preview of this document. You can see here this pages, 3 pages of this document. While I move on to the second page, the title is missing, so it is little bit harder to read. Again I move on to third page. So here also the heading is not there. So it is better to print the headings on each page. Will makes you to read the document easily. So let us see how to get these headings in the repeated pages. So here this is the normal view of this document. So you can see here this page layout. So click on page layout where you can find print titles. So click this option and you can see some options in this pop-up window: page, margin, header, footer, sheet. So in this option you have to click on sheet and select the rows to repeat at top. Choose this row and click OK. So now move on to Control P, select the print preview. Here you can see the first page, then click on to the second page. See, the title of this tabular column is appeared here, and again I will move on to the third page. You can see again it is repeated. So this will be very useful for the documents which contains multiple rows and multiple columns. So likewise you can change this rows according to your wish, and you can use these columns as well. Okay, again I repeat this option. Go to print titles, select the rows to repeat at top. I am selecting, you can see here I am selecting here, and click on OK, and go to print preview and check whether it is selected correctly or not. Likewise you can do for the column also. You have to select this column option. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Yalnidhi channel. If you like this video, click on like, put your comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.